Introducing GReminders Forms, AI-powered field extraction tool, allowing you to extract data from documents and meeting transcripts and add them instantly to contact records in your CRM. Here's a typical use case. A prospective client schedules an initial meeting with you. Because this is an initial consultation, you collect minimal information during the scheduling process. So in your newly created contact record, there's very little information on the prospect. But let's take a look at the confirmation email you scheduled and sent using GReminders. You included a link to a new client information form and requested the prospect complete it before his meeting. After the prospect completes the form, we'll go to CRM Contacts in GReminders and pull up the prospect's record. We'll select the Forms menu item. We've downloaded the complete new client information form as a PDF and now simply drop it here. Just a note, while we're using an intake form as an example in this video, it could be any document your client shares with you that contains personal or account information. Now select Process. In a few seconds, our AI agent has scanned the info in the form and we can see all the recommended field updates in the right column, data currently in the client's record in the left column, and checkbox options allowing us to choose what information to update. Since we have very little information in the CRM for this client, we'll choose to update most of the fields. If we wish to indicate specific information about the data, we can do that here. Finally, we come to some information we already have, so we'll leave the checkbox unchecked. Now we update the fields in our CRM. Let's take a look. Here are the accounts indicated on the intake form, and the account type and tax status appears just as we indicated. Next, we'll take a look at assets and liabilities. Bank accounts and balances along with mortgage and car loan info has been included. But this isn't the only way to quickly add information to our client record. After the meeting, we open up the AI note taker in GReminders. During the meeting, several questions were asked of the prospect. Here's an example.
Great. Before we get into planning, I like to fill in a couple of details that aren't on our form. First, do you currently have a will in place?
I'm embarrassed to say that we don't.
Now, instead of having to remember to add that information to the client record manually, we just click on Forms. The data are organized the same way here. We can uncheck data we already have, but information about a will, which we just listened to, is not yet available in the client record, so we'll leave it checked along with other information and update the fields in the CRM. And there it is. The custom fields have been updated. To set up AI Forms in GReminders, under Setup, select your CRM integration. Now select AI Fields. Our system will identify the fields in the CRM, including contact info, contact details, and even custom fields. You write a simple prompt for each, so our AI agent performs at its best. GReminders Forms. One more way GReminders simplifies your daily routine and saves you time and money. Reach out to us with any questions you might have. We're here to help.